Can you use your VA loan more than once? Absolutely. Here's how second-tier entitlement works. You used your VA loan before, maybe to buy your first home, but now you've moved or sold or you want to buy again. Can you use your VA loan? Yes. It's called second-tier entitlement. I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy, and in this video, I'll break down how second-tier entitlement works, how you get your eligibility restored, and how some veterans even own 2 VA financed homes at a time. Let's get into it. So what is second-tier entitlement? Your VA loan entitlement is your buying power. When you use it for the first time, a portion of that entitlement gets applied to your loan. If you sell the home or pay off the VA loan, you can request a full restoration. But even if you haven't sold, you may still have remaining entitlement. That's what we call second-tier entitlement. It lets you buy another home, use your VA loan again, potentially carry 2 VA loans at once, with some limitations. Reusing after selling a home, this is the most common scenario. So let's say you used your VA loan, you sold that home. Now you want to buy again. Here's the step most people miss. You need to file a request for restoration of entitlement with the VA. Once approved, your full VA benefit is restored. You can now purchase another home with 0% down payment. We help with this process all the time, so you don't have to take this on your own. We're happy to help you with it. So want to know a secret? Even if you haven't sold your current home, you might still be able to use your VA loan again. It's not just for a one-time use, which is a common misunderstanding. Here's how that works. Sold and reused veteran sold their San Diego home. VA loan was paid off. We filed the restoration with the VA. They bought again in Colorado with a full VA benefit. Buying again without selling. Now let's talk about owning 2 VA financed homes. It's possible, but you need to meet specific conditions. Occupancy. VA loans are primary residence. You must intend to live in the new property full-time. Remaining entitlement. You must have enough remaining entitlement to cover the new loan amount. If not, you may need to bring a small down payment. A justifiable reason, PCS orders or relocation for work, family reasons usually qualify. This is more common than you think, especially for active duty buyers. So can you use your VA loan again? Let's schedule some time to see how much entitlement you still have. We'll walk through the restoration paperwork, the 2 loan strategies, how to avoid common entitlement mistakes. So book your first call with us at valoanguide.us or just click the link down below and schedule some time on my calendar. Your VA loan benefit doesn't expire after 1 use. Let's put it back to work for you.